What is going on, everybody? This is Black Apino, the Apple Guy. Today I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to turn on iCloud photos in your iCloud on your iPhone so that you can back up your photos and your videos safely without having to worry about losing everything when you transfer from one device to the next. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings. Make sure that you are signed into your iTunes account. You actually need to be signed in order to do this. Once you are signed on, it will bring you to under your Apple ID. You will tap on the iCloud, and then what's going to show you is what's going to give you a display of what's being stored. If you don't have anything turned on, then it really won't have anything backed up yet, at least as far as photos. Everything else that you have in iClouds will be backed up except for your photos. In order to make sure that your photos are backed up, you're actually going to have to go where it says Photos, tap on that, and you want to make sure that this goes from the not turned on to the green. Once that's turned on, then pretty much everything is backed up. Your photos and videos will be able to be accessed from any other Apple device that you use that is currently under your Apple ID. Now, once you make any edits to any photos or any videos on one, it filters onto all the others. And this is done with your iCloud photos turned on. And that's pretty much all you have to do is just make sure that you are signed into iTunes under your iTunes account, and then make sure that your iTunes photos is turned on. If it is not turned on, once it's turned on, what will happen is that it will ask you to back up all your photos to the iCloud. You say yes, and depending on how much photos and videos you have, you just sit there and make sure that you have it at home and on your Wi-Fi at home, because if you try to do this in a public area, depending on how much you have, it does take a little bit of time. So if you're one of those people that has massive amounts of photos and videos, I suggest that when you turn this on, that you make sure you have it enabled at home. That way you can leave it charged at the same time as backing up, because it will take some time and it will drain your battery depending on how much photos and videos you have turned on. So once that's enabled and turned on, that is pretty much it. So that means anytime you take any videos or photos from your iPhone or from your iPad or from an Apple device, whether it's a Mac or a desktop, it's automatically uploaded into the cloud, and that's it. So again, this is Black Apino, the Apple Guy. Thanks for watching my channel.